This is the pomegranate that I just plucked from my pomegranate tree. You can see how nice it is, and it's white in color. This is the way we have prepared the prasad thali for Lord Krishna, and this time we are really very happy that we could at least include one fruit from our own garden. That's giving us lots of pleasure. Hi, welcome to my channel Home Gardening. Today's video is on how to take care of your pomegranate plant and how to produce more fruit in it. You can see that this is our pomegranate plant. How beautiful and how fertile it is. So these are its male flowers. I cannot see right now any female flower. It's in the blooming stage. Come here. You can see many fruits here. How big it is. Just see how big the fruit is. This is yellowish brown variety of pomegranate. This is in young stage. Here you can find many more. I already have plucked 3-4. Okay, but what you are seeing today, this was not the case just 1.5 years back. The tree was in a very bad state. Very few branches it had, curled leaves, and very few flowers you could see. And obviously there were no fruits at all. At once I took this as a challenge. I had to survive this plant anyhow. That time I didn't know how I could do this. I did lots of research then. That time I did extensive research work and came to the conclusion that I have to take care of the soil first. I found that this soil is also in a very bad state. The soil was damp, soggy, and it was a home of many insects. So with the help of my gardener, we did extensive cultivation around this plant, keeping in mind that the cultivation doesn't harm the roots of the plant. So cultivation of the soil helps sunlight to penetrate deep into the soil, and it also uproots the weeds. Therefore, it kills many insects which are harmful for the growth of the plant. In addition to this, cultivation of soil helps air to pass through the soil, and this is very good for plants' root growth. And cultivation of soils also helps nutrient to reach in contact to the plant's root, so that plant can get easily access of these nutrients. This is a fruit plant, and since we eat its fruit, we didn't want to use any chemical pesticides or insecticides to treat the soil or for fertilizing the soil. What I did, I straightforwardly used some organic fertilizers such as cow dung compost, organic kitchen waste liquid and solid compost, and mustard cake in its solution form. Initially, I started applying all these things once in every week, but changes came after 2 months. It was unbelievable for me. I couldn't even think that a dying plant will be survived. I could do it. Research shows that these master cakes act as both fertilizers and insecticides. So I guess that here the use of mustard cake also serves the purpose of insecticides. That's why after 2 months we were able to see some changes in our pomegranate tree. New shoots started coming up, branches started spreading up. Okay, coming back to the fertilizer part. This liquid kitchen waste fertilizer and mustard cake is a source of many micronutrients which are also essential for plants' growth. So all four things together help to survive the plant by treating the soil, as well as they meet up the needs of the necessary nutrients for its growth. After 2 months, I increased the time span of application of fertilizer. Instead of once in a week, I started applying once in every 15 days for next 6 months. Now I apply once in a month the fertilizer mix. So this is the fertilizer mix. I provide it to my pomegranate plant in every month. It contains cow dung manure, which is of 1 year old, and organic solid kitchen waste compost. So our gardener Ram Bahadur is mixing up these two things together before giving to the plant. Now he is mixing this fertilizer mix with the soil. I also do foliar spray with the liquid kitchen waste fertilizer in every 15 days. For that, I prepare a 1 liter solution in water by taking 50 to 60 ml of liquid kitchen waste compost. So this is the present soil. You can see it is how loose. I add this mustard cake solution once in every 15 days. I have added here 1 teaspoon of organic fungicide, which contains the fungus Trichoderma viridi. Trichoderma viridi itself is a fungus. It's a beneficial fungus. It helps in controlling the pathogens present in the soil. Pathogens are basically bacteria, virus, and many microorganisms which cause diseases in the plants. The role of the fungus Trichoderma viridi is it makes a colony in the rhizomes and roots of the plant, and it make a barrier so that these harmful pathogens doesn't reach to the root, and therefore root gets a healthy atmosphere to maintain its normal growth. I prefer to apply this fungicide with the mustard cake solution, because as soon as I have applied this mustard cake solution, I have seen that mainly in this monsoon season, fungus spread rapidly into the soil. So that's why I think that if I add 1 teaspoon of this fungicide, will prevent any fungal growth in the soil, and that's why it will be helpful for plants growth and plants health, so that the mustard cake solution can do its own job properly.